UPCDA, Shri Anil Sharma ji, Regional Manager Surajpur, Monica Ma'am, AGM UPCDA. I would request Shri Anil Sharma ji, Regional Manager UPCDA, to kindly felicitate the dignitaries with a token of our gratitude.
Dear sir, thank you for giving your precious time out for this event. Someone once said, life is fragile, heartbreaking and beautiful. This is pandemic is a marked chapter in our lives, from where we have learned a lot about life itself. There is something in these moments of crisis that is really extraordinary about humanity and human beings' resilience and the way in which everyone naturally comes together. I think you see the best in people in those moments, for better or for worse, and you find your best self. Here I would like to take this opportunity to mention that I am deeply thankful to CEO Sir, RM Sir, Executive Engineer Sir for giving their unwavering support and continuous help. I would also like to thank them immensely for providing medical aid, which was very much the need of the hour. I would like to thank each and every COVID warrior, especially Shobhaji and Vinay, who worked selflessly at ground level during lockdown. Shubham ji, Chanpreet ji, Anil Khurana ji, Gautam ji, Pradeep ji, Anil Kumar ji, Atul Srivastava ji, Anamika ji, Vijay Thakur ji, Vineet ji, Narula ji, President of EPIP Welfare Association, Talvinder ji, Sethi ji, Lakhotia ji, Ritesh ji, Pachauri ji, Kamlesh ji, Mukesh Pal ji, and Amit Agarwal ji. Sanjay ji and Anjum ji also. As it was the support of such people who initially came together to serve humanity. These moments will be shared by Shubham ji and Narula ji in a short while. Some of you might be thinking, why I am speaking about COVID crisis, COVID warriors and humanity, when clearly it is a Mission Shakti mega event. The reason is, I don't think we can celebrate women enough if we don't celebrate humanity, if we don't celebrate life. Life is so short that we don't even know how lucky we are to just be breathing this very moment. It's a blessing. Let's not take life for granted. Thank you.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the time when Shobhaji and Sanjayji, we got together, we thought about what we can do. We were helping out people at our own, at best levels. Even I remember how Chanpreetji helped me out in, helping out people with oxygen cylinders in those times, getting oxygen concentrators. Happyji, how he was very helpful from the association of EPIP. In getting the place in a hospital, that was a crucial phase in which their healths were deteriorating. So we thought that to have an isolation ward which can serve the people undergoing the COVID-19 who were affected, they can be supplied with oxygen cylinders with the initial medical supplies. And I still remember we had a talk with Mayur Mishra and how his reaction was like, it's you go ahead, whatever help you want, I'm completely with you. And trust me, it's not very easy for any official at this place to just treat away and give up a place. But still, he not just gave us a place, but provided with all the facilities he could, with the water supply, with the electricity, connections, with getting the lines done. And within a week's time, we were able to, make this challenge successful, and we got this isolation ward started.
आदरणीय श्री सीओ साहब श्री महेश्वरी जी, श्री अनिल कुमार शर्मा जी, our regional manager, Mrs. Monica जी, Mr. सत्यापाल जी, श्रीमती केसु मौर्य जी, आप सबका मैं अभिनंदन करता हूँ यहाँ पधारने पर और स्वागत करता हूं कि आप यहाँ आए। मुझे याद है जब ये EPIP एरिया जब शुरू हुआ था तो बड़ा चैलेंजिंग टाइम था। मिसेस मोनिका उस टाइम हमारे फर्स्ट EPIP के मैनेजर थे। इन्होंने हमें अलॉटमेंट दी उस टाइम 2000 में। तो वो चैलेंजिंग टाइम था, आज भी हमारा टाइम के साथ साथ हमारे चैलेंजेस भी टाइम चेंज हो गए, लेकिन there are few problems still existing in our area, which my other fellow entrepreneur will explain you later. That's like FAR area, sewage treatment plant, roads and lights, internet service, which is very, very essential, very, very important for our entrepreneurs, our area. And this COVID barriers, it was a brilliant idea adopted and executed by the brilliant entrepreneurs of our EPIP, especially Shrimati Shobha Singh ji, Sanjay Verma ji, Vineet Sood ji, Vinay Jadeja ji, Shubham ji, Gautam ji, and all other various कोविड वैरियर्स जिन्होंने उस वक्त अपना सहयोग दिया और इसको एक रोल मॉडल की तरह एस्टेब्लिश किया। हम चाहते हैं ये फैसिलिटीज फॉर एवर, जब तक भी ये चल रहा है वायरल, ये कोविड वगैरह का ये चलता रहे परमानेंटली और लोग इसमें सहयोग करते रहें। और मैं ज़्यादा समय ना लेता हुआ चाहता हूँ कि ऐसी मीटिंग्स हमारी टाइम टू टाइम होती रहे और ऐसा इंटरेक्ट फेस टू फेस होता रहे आप हमारी अथॉरिटीज़ के साथ, ताकि हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स टाइम टू टाइम रेज करते रहे आपके लिए। तो उसका सोल्यूशन भी हम चाहेंगे, टाइम बाउंड सोल्यूशन भी हो हमारी समस्याओं का जो अब तक एग्जिस्ट कर रही है हमारे पास। तो वंस अगेन आई थैंक यू ऑल फॉर गिविंग अस योर प्रेशियस टाइम्स, विजिटिंग अस। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Ladies and gentlemen, Namaste. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted almost every corner of our life, changing the way we work, we live, we move and interact with people and environment. There have been forced implementation of harsh restrictions on human activity to curb the spread of virus. Still, many of us were infected and came out of deadly, harsh hands of this virus. But we know many of our friends, relatives, known ones, our associates lost their dear ones. I have seen one such person close to my heart. No blood relation, still that person had a big gratitude towards me. I have seen life slipping in just few hours. I have seen those helpless eyes asking me, what next? I moved from every door of medical care, medical houses, and was practically refused. The end had come. Everything stopped. My plant had lost his wife, leaving behind memories and 3 children. This is one fact, but there are many more. This hour brought us all together to fight for safety and wellness of humanity. The mission we took gave confidence to all of us. Yes, we could fight with virus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just one experience, one thought we all here witnessed. Until today, we are determined to never let anyone suffer like this. Before I leave, I thank you all very much for everything you have done as a team. And you continue to do so because this is just the start of long journey until COVID-19 is defeated. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Jai.
Now be distributing awards for the COVID warriors. We request CEO sir to kindly felicitate the COVID warriors.
थैंक्स फॉर दिस जेस्चर। अपनी ईपीआई की सूरज और पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। देखिए वो टाइम ऐसा चैलेंजिंग टाइम था दैट नन ऑफ अस थॉट दैट वी कुड ओवरकम व्हाट वी वर इन, बट एनी हाउ लोगों ने वो पूरा किया। आप लोगों ने सोशल स्किल दिखाई और जो कार्यक्रम उस समय किया वो भी एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ही थी, बट विद ए डिफरेंट पर्पस। ज्यादातर हम लोग करते हैं फाइनेंशियल गेन के लिए, इस बार ह्यूमैनिटी के गेन के लिए आप लोगों ने काम किया कि ये आपकी एंटरप्रेन्योर स्किल ही थी जिसकी वजह से हमने उस क्राइसिस को टाइम रहते बड़ी मजबूती के साथ, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ओवरकम किया। और जैसा बताया गया कि बना तो आइसोलेशन वार्ड था, बट देखिए इसने कितने मल्टीपल काम किए। उस आइसोलेशन वार्ड की वजह से हम सब लोग यूनाइट हो गए। कहा उसको आइसोलेशन गया, बट दिस गैदरिंग शोज कि वो आइसोलेशन नहीं था। इट बॉट ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर, कम्युनिटी को साथ जोड़ा, लोगों को साथ जोड़ा। पीपल देन केम फॉरवर्ड दैट हम सभी एक साथ हो सकते हैं, तभी आगे बढ़ पाएंगे, बच पाएंगे। एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ द नेशन। हमारे देश की परंपरा है, राष्ट्र की और हमारे प्रदेश की। ये जो हमारा ईपीआई की एसोसिएशन एरिया है, ये एक मॉडल एरिया के रूप में पूरे यूपी सीडा में, इनफैक्ट पूरे यूपी में निकल के आ रहा है। इट इज बिकमिंग अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड इवन आई वुड से कि हमारे यहाँ की जो स्किल्स हैं जो अभी रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं होती, यहाँ से तो एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग। एक्सपोर्ट तभी हो पाता है जब आप में प्रोडक्ट में दम हो और ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज को हमने उस तरीके से टैप किया हो जिस तरीके की हमें नीड हो।
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of EPIP Site 5 Kasna Greater Noida COVID Warriors team, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all present here, our excellencies, distinguished guests and speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your opinions today. During all the process of setting COVID-19 warrior team, arranging and supporting us in this mission, there is a team of coach, not one coach, but there is a team of coach. First, the person of great charisma, most generous, friendly, and a big source of inspiration. Ladies and gentlemen, none other than our CEO sir, Mr. Mayur Maheshwari. Sir, a big thank you for all you have done. Looking forward to many more such supports in coming time. A small gesture of our love and affection.
pleasure for me to be back here in APIB as it was my first independent project. The planning part, the execution of this park, I started this project. The first allotments were made by me, and Happy Singh Ji is one of the first allottees. I have been looking after this Mission Shakti program from the head office. I think that the support that EPIB has given in this Mission Shakti program is worth mentioning and worth applauding all those who contributed to this Mission Shakti project. This Mission Shakti project conveys a very special message of our Honorable Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath Ji. As you know, it started around 2 years back with the mission to empower women and to make them understand their rights and their responsibilities. So they have always been sharing the responsibilities, but rights and self-respect, that is what was missing. And this 2-year program was just to make them understand, make them feel the way they are important in everybody's life. We women may be independent, but we have to realize that we can take the front seat and lead.
First, I would like to thank Honorable CM Yogi Ji to take this initiative for women empowerment. Special thanks to Gesu ma'am who has organized this event. Actually, every person, every company in UPSIDA is doing their best for their women staff, women laborers by giving job opportunities, by giving safety and security and other protocols needed for them. Still, majority of women needs the training to compete with their male colleagues. So I have requested Gesu ma'am to take an initiative to open a skill training center. So it will be beneficial for all of us because everyone will be benefited by this. Women along with our male labor and staff will also be get skilled.
Mission Shakti, basically everyone has already told that it was an initiative by our Honorable Chief Minister. क्योंकि यहाँ पे यूपी के अंदर में बहुत लेडीज के ऊपर में क्राइम वगैरह हो रहे थे and it was launched in 2020 and it was launched for 3 phases. So we are already in the 3rd phase of this particular mission. इसका जो 3rd phase है, इसका मेन पर्पस ये है कि वुमेन को एम्पावर किया जाए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप उनके अंदर में लेके आया जाए, उनके बैंक अकाउंट्स खुलवाए जाए और ये सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा है. We are helping the girls who are willing to show our talent and they are trying to uplift their job responsibilities. This area, if this is progressing fast, why the industry is choosing to come here? It is because the present administration has shown interest in the industry. They are pro-industry. Very thankful to our CEO sir, RM sir, Madam Gesu and all the other officials.
I am so privileged and honored for sharing this afternoon with all of you. Today we are celebrating Nari Shakti by honoring Karma Yoginis with award and recognition in this function is a commendable thought and program of UP government. Women are very important part of workforce. Hence we have more than 200 women workers whom we have given special training guidance to hold important positions and work responsibilities. We have policies and practices meant to enhance women empowerment, which is a very important agenda close to my heart, mind and soul. The biggest challenge that I face today is of quality of workers, which I think a lot of people have shared this input in Greater Noida. I can see this difference as I have another factory of almost 400 workers in Noida. So I can see the difference, what kind of workers I have there and what kind of worker I am getting here. So this is a constant problem and challenge, I would say. So I take this opportunity to draw the attention of excellent team of UPSIDA led by Mr. Mayur Maheshwari ji, who is gifted with textile background, to help set up garment skill centers in around Greater Noida. I dare ask, why can't any one of you take challenge to set up a skill center right inside this building, which I think she is already confirmed.
We would now request Monica ma'am to kindly present the awards to the awardees of the Mission Shakti program and for being the role model for women. On the names, I would request the members of the respective organizations to kindly come up to the stage to receive the awards. In collaboration with Swan Livelihood, UPCDA is launching a skill training center in the first floor of the Flathead Factory Complex. The main focus of its center would be on understanding and resolution of the issues to create amicable working relationship between the management and the workforce that may lead to improved productivity. Specific events and programs would be designed and organized to cater the individual needs of the workforce to empower them so that they can excel in their lives. I would also like to thank Gesu ma'am. Thank you everyone.